Hello, this class is for Diploma Pharmaceutics, subject code 1.1T, Unit 5. We are going to discuss today compressed tablet manufacturing. There are four different steps involved in compressed tablet manufacturing. The first step is preparation of granules for compression. Second step is compression of granules into tablets. The third step, which is an optional step, is coating of tablets. That means it is not always desired or needed. And the fourth step is quality control of tablets. We'll come to the first step. The first step again is comprising of three different substeps, which is weighing of ingredient, mixing powder ingredients and excipients, and the third one is converting mixed ingredients into granules. So first of all, weighing of ingredients. The ingredients needed for granules preparation should be weighed accurately in a balance of good quality, and the weight should be double checked in order to rule out any human errors. The second step, mixing powder ingredients and excipients. It is generally done for maintaining homogeneity. Now in tablet preparation, the mass of powder must be a homogeneous mass. So the mixing of ingredients here generally done in an ascending order of their weight. The third step is converting mixed ingredients into granules. The crystalline medicaments that is compressed to prepare a tablet along with other excipients is generally again done by different granulation technique. There are some granulation techniques. We'll come to different granulation techniques. The first granulation technique we are going to discuss over here is moist granulation method. It is also known as wet granulation method or wet granulation technique. As the name indicates, the involvement of moisture is there in moist granulation method. Generally, this method is the most widely used method in granules preparation. A binding agent is used along with diluents, other excipients, and part of disintegrating agent, which are moistened together with the help of the binder solution to make a coherent mass of powders. Then the coherent mass is passed through a specific sieve number, generally sieve number 8 or 10. There is a drawback. There is a drawback, particularly disadvantage of this method, which is there is a possibility of over moistening the substance. The amount of binder solution we are going to add will play a crucial role in the quality of the prepared granules. So how to understand whether the granules are over moistened or not? The easiest way to understand whether the granules are over moistened or not is, if it is over moistened, the granules are going to stick with the sieve wax, which can indicate the over moistening or overweighting of the prepared granules. After preparation of these granules, the wet granules we are obtaining is spread over trays and is subjected to drying in a tray dryer. The temperature maintained in drying is generally between 50 to 60 degrees centigrade. After completion of drying, the granular mass is collected back and passed through a sieve number. Generally, sieve number 20 is used to get uniform size granules, and then lubricating agent and other volatile substances or the remaining part of disintegrating agents are mixed, and then the granules are ready to be compressed. Here, as this schematic diagram indicates, dry powder excipients are given into the granulator, then they are mixed, binder solution poured into it, it is mixed with the dry powder. Once the mixing is over, it is forming a wet granular mass which is subjected to drying after sieving or after passing through a sieve. Then it is forming a dry granular mass after drying, and then after sizing or after passing through again sieve number 20, it is forming dry granules. So the next one is dry granulation method. There are certain medicaments which are available in crystalline form, and they can have their own binding property. These medicaments are passed through sieve number 20 or any other specific sieves and then mixed with other additional excipients. This method is generally used in the preparation of tablets such as aspirin tablets, sodium bromide tablets, potassium chloride tablets, etc. Here in the diagram, we have seen that the blended powders are there. There are two methods to prepare dry granules. The first method is roller compaction method and the second method is slugging method. In roller compaction method, we can see that the powder mass is being passed through two rollers and it is preparing compacts or flakes, which is then subjected to size reduction and sizing to obtain uniform granules. In the second method, which is called a slugging method, we generally prepared slugs or bigger tablets, which is then subjected to size reduction and uniform separation to get uniform size of granules. And the third step or the third technique of preparing granules or preparing tablets is granules by preliminary compression. Here, this method is also known as slugging method. This method is generally used for those cases where the tablet is or the medicament or the drug is moisture sensitive. In this process, the dry powder is compressed into larger tablets or slugs. Then the slugs are broken into smaller pieces, and these smaller pieces are passed through specific sieves and which will give us the granules of an uniform size. A lubricating agent and a disintegrating agent are then mixed with the granules before compression to the tablet punching machine. So that's all for different granulation method. In my next class, we will discuss different excipients used in the formulation of tablets. Thank you.